You've got to see this because Samsung may have just fixed the biggest problem foldable phones have had for the last 7 years. Not battery, not durability, the crease. And after watching this new leaked video of the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, I honestly had to do a double take. A well-known tech insider with strong supply chain connections has shared what appears to be a fully functional Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra on Weibo. This isn't a concept, a dummy model, or polished marketing footage. It's an actual working phone being opened, closed, used to play videos, and tilted under different lighting conditions. And that's where things get really interesting. The crease is almost impossible to spot. Seriously, unless the display is sitting under harsh lighting at a very specific angle, it practically disappears. During normal use, the inner display just looks like one uninterrupted screen. Even when a finger glides across the center, there's no obvious dip, ridge, or uneven surface. That's something Samsung foldables have never been able to claim before. Think about how far we've come. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 still had a noticeable crease. The Fold 7 definitely made it less distracting, but you could still see it and feel it every day. For years, that crease has been the first thing people noticed whenever someone handed them a foldable. It was always the reason people said, maybe next generation. Brands like Oppo came incredibly close with the Find N6, delivering one of the least visible creases on the market. But now it looks like Samsung has finally caught up. The improvement reportedly comes from a redesigned hinge that creates a much shallower fold, combined with an upgraded dual ultra-thin glass OLED panel. And honestly, that's a pretty huge milestone. If Samsung has reached this point, there's a very good chance Apple's upcoming iPhone Ultra Fold will arrive with a similarly refined display later this year. It feels like 2026 could be remembered as the year the foldable crease stopped being a deal-breaker altogether. Outside of that, Samsung isn't changing the overall design too much, and that's probably a good thing. Interestingly, the leaked video also revealed something people are debating. The selfie camera cutout on the cover display looks about the same size as the Fold 7's. Earlier rumors suggested Samsung would shrink it this year, so that's one detail we'll need to wait and see if it changes before launch. It's kind of crazy when you think about it. For 7 straight years, every Galaxy Fold launch came with the exact same question. But what about the crease? This might finally be the year that question disappears. Samsung is expected to unveil everything officially on July 22nd in London. And if this leak is the real deal, the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra could end up being the first Samsung foldable where the display simply gets out of the way and lets you enjoy the experience. We're almost at launch now, so if you don't want to miss all the official announcements, make sure you're subscribed. And let me know down in the comments, if Samsung has finally solved the crease, is this the foldable you've been waiting for, or are you still sticking with a regular smartphone? I'll catch you in the next one.